Hi everyone, now we are going to look at the 10th question of IITM-Es or Max 1 GA2. So if you look at already, so in the previous 9th question we solved option D, we got it as correct answer. So this option D, now what we are going to do is, we are going to convert into an augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is nothing but, it is a combined matrix. Then afterwards, we are going to convert into unit matrix, then find the solution. Come on, let us see how. So this option D, let us write separately to solve the 10th question. So here from option D, the matrix I am writing as it is 1 minus 2, 1, 4. So minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next, X, Y, Z, W equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Alright. Now, as I said already, converted into augmented matrix. So, now let us see it is in which form. It is in the form AX is equal to B. So, this A and B we should combine. So, the augmented matrix A comma B is equal to 1 minus 2, 1, 4, 5. So you're combining and writing both A and B. Minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 3. Alright, fine. Going into the next step now. Keep the first row as it is, no need to disturb that. Here in the first video also, what I explained is we should now convert it into an echelon form. Echelon form is nothing but, so here the first element, so this is the first element of the first row, it should be 1, and the remaining terms, that is, this should be 1, and below 1 both should be zeros. Okay, and similarly if you see, look at the second row, the second element of the second row should be 1, and below that it should be 0. That's all. So let us convert that. So now let us write the first row as it is 1 minus 2, 1, 4 and 5. Next, this second row, it is there now. The second row R2, so R2 plus 2 times R1. Why we are doing is, then only this row it will become 0. For example, if you add minus 2 plus 2 times the first element of the first row, will be getting 0 here. Therefore, we are doing like this. So R2, the second row, we are adding second row plus 2 times the first row. Alright, now let us see what will be coming. So minus 2 plus 2 times 1, it is definitely 0. And here 0 plus 2 times minus 2, it is minus 4. And next minus 1 plus 2, it is 1. Next 1 plus 2 times 4, it is 9. Next minus 2 plus 2 times 5, 10. So minus 2 plus 10, it is 8. Got it? Now similarly, third row, what we should do, I think the third row we can keep as it is, because below the first element of the first row, both should be 0. Here it is 0. So let us write the third row as it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 3. Now going on to the next step, this second element of the second row, it should be 1. So now let us convert it into 1. So to make this as 1, what we should do, we should divide the entire second row divided by 4, that is especially minus 4. Okay, so now change it. Write the first row as it is. So second row R2, so R2 divided by minus 4, will be getting 0, 1, minus 1 by 4, minus 9 by 4. So 8 by minus 4, it is minus 2. And let the third row be as it is. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 3. Fine. Now move on to the next step. So here 1 minus 2 1 4 5, let it be as it is. Now as we saw, to convert to echelon form, so the second row of the second element we got it as 1, and below this 1, this element should be 0. So what we should do, we should reduce R3 from R2. Okay, so the third row, now let us write the second row as it is: 0 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4 minus 2. So this third row, R3 is R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 0 minus of plus 1 by 4, that is 0 minus of minus 1 by 4, it becomes plus 1 by 4. Next 1 plus 9 by 4. So 1 minus of 9 by 4, 1 minus of minus 9 by 4, it is 1 plus 9 by 4, it is nothing but 13 divided by 4. Next 3 minus of minus 2, it is 5. Alright, now so till this step we solved successfully. Now next is, what we should do is, we should look at the answer options. So if you look at the answer options, so they have given here u and u belongs to R. For all option it is like this only. Alright, so now no worries. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to convert this matrix into a unit matrix. So filled matrix you are not going to convert. So these 3 columns are there, no? So these top 3 columns, so these 3 columns are known, you are going to convert into unit matrix. Now let us see how you are going to convert. So now for your observation I am writing convert first 3 columns into unit matrix. You may be wondering what is unit matrix. It is nothing but this type. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So this is a unit matrix. So the first 3 columns, so this first 3 columns alone you are going to convert into this type. That's all. No worries. Now so convert into unit matrix, what we can do, excuse me. So now this first row, let it be as it is. This unit matrix can be done only step by step. Now what I am going to do is, this one I am going to add, that is I am going to add so R2 and R3 both parallelly. So the second column, the second row, I am going to R2 gives R2 plus R3. So 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0, and 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1, and minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is 0. Then minus 9 by 4 plus 13 by 4. So what will be getting? It is nothing but 4 by 4, will be getting it as 1, and minus 2 plus 5 will be getting it as 3. Okay, and keep the third row as it is. If you look at this, patiently listen, it may take time, but it is worth the wait. So for unit matrix 0 1 0, so here also 0 1 0 we got. So here 1 is there, here also 1 is there, and here 0 0 1 is there, but these 2 zeros we got it. Now patiently moving on to the next step. Kindly be patient, bear with me. Now to make the first row in the form of the 1 0 0, for example this 1 0 0 is there, no? So to make this into that type, what I am going to do is, this first row I am going to add with 2 times the second row. So Now our focus should be only on first row. So if you are adding R1 and 2 times R2, so 1 plus 2 times 0, will be getting it as definitely 1. So minus 2 plus 2 times. So if you are looking at it, see the place of R1 minus 2. So in the rough column I am writing here. So minus 2. So for one sample only I can be able to write. So minus 2 plus 2 times 1, it is 0. Okay. Next is 1 plus 2 times R2. So that is again 1. Next 4 plus 2 times 1. It is 6. Next is 5 plus 2 times 3. It is 11. So write the remaining rows as it is. Okay. Now, so this one, now we are going to convert this row, that is the first row, the form of zeros. So here this R3 row, it is there, no? So you just multiply by 4. The third row, you just multiply by 4, R3 by 4. So 0, 0, 1, 13, 5. Write the second row as it is, and even the first row as it is. 1, 0, 1, 6, 11. Alright, fine. So maximum nearing to the unit matrix we have got equally. So here one small mistake. If you multiply the 4 times 5, you will be getting it as 20. And if you are seeing only the first row, the echelon form, that is the unit matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, we got 1, 0, we achieved only this one. So how this one we can eliminate? This one we should convert to 0. So this R1 you should subtract from R3. Definitely you will be getting it. So let us see how. So 1, 0. Okay. And the first row what we should do, R1 is R1 minus R3. Okay, so 1 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and 6 minus 13. So what is 6 minus 13? 6 minus 13 is nothing but it is minus 7. And what is 11 minus 20? It is minus 9. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, 1, 13, 20. Perfect. So now achieved the unit matrix form 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Alright. Now we are going to write this in the form of the matrix Ax is equal to B. Now write the matrix. Excuse me. Yeah. So now write the matrix in the form of Ax is equal to B. So this is A part, and remaining x is the variable part, and B is, it will be coming in the right side. So this is A and this is B. Now split and write, let us see what will be coming. So 1, 0, 0, minus 7, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 13. So in the place of x variable, now we finished x. Sorry, now we finished A. Next, we are focusing on x. So that variables x, y, z, w is equal to minus 9, 3, 20. Okay. Now it is in the form of Ax is equal to B. So next step, what we are going to do is, we are going to write in the form of the equation. So you just multiply first row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column. You equate and write in the right hand side of the equation. That is all. So for more clarity, so I will just multiply. So while multiplying, we will be getting x minus 7w is equal to minus 9, then y plus w is equal to 3. Next is 1 into z, that is z. Next is 13 into w, z plus 13w is equal to 20. So the equations we got. So we can write it as this is first equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. Moving on further, what you do now is, so this x, y and z form, you just split and write. So x, for the x variable, what we should do, this minus 7w, you just take it to the right hand side of the equal to. So you'll be getting 7w minus 9. And take for y, so you'll be getting it as y is equal to minus w plus 3. So take this w2 plus w to this side, you'll be getting minus w. Next is for z, so plus 13w, take it to the right side, minus 13w plus 20. Okay, now this one, for the solution, what we should do is, this w is there, no? So w, you just rename as u. So w is equal to u. So we'll be getting it as x is equal to 7u minus 9 and y is equal to minus u plus 3 and z is equal to minus 13u plus 20. And already we wrote this w is equal to u. So w is equal to u. Alright. Because as you check the answer options, you will know there are 4 variables. They are x, y, z and w. Okay. So now split and write. So now if you are splitting the variable and writing in the matrix form, here represent in matrix form, x, y, z, w is equal to 7u minus 9, then minus u plus 3 minus 13u plus 20, then u. So this u term is there, no? This u term take commonly outside and write the balance in the matrix. So we'll be getting 7. Okay, so the u alone you have taken out. So 7 times u, next is minus 1, next is minus 13, next is 1. So if you just cross check and see, 7u, 7 into u, 7u, minus u, minus 1 into u, then next is minus 13u, minus 13 into u, next is u, 1 into u is u. Next, apart from that, here the balance sign is there. So for the safer side, always for these types of equation, you just put plus and write the balance numbers inside. So here minus 9 you can write as it is because plus into minus is minus. Next is 3, next is 20, next is u, sorry 0, excuse me. So next is 0. Okay, because apart from u there are no numbers, so no need to worry. So here minus 9, here write it separately, here it is 3 has written separately, and 20 have written separately, and there is no number, so therefore we are writing 0. So the final answer is this one. I'll highlight in the box. So this is the final answer. So which option satisfies this? We'll check and see. So the option which satisfies that, definitely it is option C. Therefore option C is the correct answer.